Time, the cultural difference that I'm seeing in men, in my office I see all the time ki, if their wives are sick, the guys are taking leave. See, the idea of self love is on a daily basis. It's a habit. How you're talking to yourself is the first point of self love.
तो वेयर इज़ दैट बाउंड्री कि सेल्फ लव को हम क्रॉस करके सेल्फिशनेस में ना आ जाए आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड. सो इफ द ऑडियंस दैट इज वाचिंग दिस राइट नाउ, what can we learn from Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli's relationship?
You have to find activities that you really enjoy, honestly. And I can tell this thing, but like I love spending time with my family, with my husband, with my father-in-law, or my father, or my grandmother, my buas. I love it. But when I'm alone, like you can put me in just one.
उस point पे how do you stay connected to yourself?
The only way you can stay connected to yourself, जब आप ऐसे dilemmas और in situations में आते हैं ना, you're actually supposed to talk to somebody who's a decade or a 15-year elder person.
So this happens. तो ऐसा क्या हो जाता है when you find the right man and you find the actual right man for you, you become more feminine, more in touch with your feminine side. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट खुशी के गुण. आज का ये एपिसोड स्पेशली हमारी विमेन के लिए. विमेन बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स करती हैं, जैसे कि एक रिलेशनशिप में विमेन होती है जब, या काम में होती हैं, या जब वो मदर होती हैं. और हर एज ग्रुप में 20s में, 30s में, 40s में अलग अलग चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करती है, इमोशंस एक्सपीरियंस करती हैं. तो इस एपिसोड में हमने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करी है हमारी विमेन के लिए. बहुत नए नए पर्सपेक्टिव्स लाए हैं. आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ के बारे में बात की है हमने, बात की है टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में, कैसे आप टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में रहते हैं और कैसे निकल सकते हैं. साथ साथ हमने बात करी है बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में जो आप घर में एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं पर आपको ही नहीं पता. हाउ यू कैन ग्रो, हाउ यू कैन हील एंड हाउ यू कैन बिकम अ हेल्दियर पर्सन एज अ वुमेन. ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखिएगा. हमारी गेस्ट आज की बहुत स्पेशल मिस अंकिता कौल, जो बात करती हैं सेल्फ लव के बारे में, ग्रोथ के बारे में, हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में. एंड उन्होंने एक स्पेस क्रिएट किया है विमेन के लिए टू ग्रो एंड बिकम बेटर पर्सन. इस एपिसोड में आप बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे, बहुत वैल्यूएबल इन्फॉर्मेशन है. एक प्रॉपर गर्ल टॉक हुई है जिसको आप बहुत इन्जॉय करेंगे. तो एपिसोड को एंड तक देखिएगा, विमेन के साथ देखिएगा, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, मदर्स के साथ बैठ के देखिए. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. Let's get into it. Welcome to Nama Talks, Ankita Kaul. How are you?
I'm really good. How are you?
I'm doing great. You have such a bubbly energy about you.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. I'm very excited for this girl talk today. And as far as I went through your profile, और जो मुझे समझ आया, you talk about self-love, growth and healthy relationship. But more than that, you are creating a space for women, a community for women where they can be more confident, more energetic, more like connecting, and बहुत it's something that we need.
Yeah.
Because if women are not standing with each other, there's no point. And girl friends should be there for each other, and you're creating that space, you're leading that space in that sense. So you are connecting women with you, helping them in self love and growing and in their relationship. And your page name is Wifey Talks.
It's Wifey Talks.
With double Y.
With double Y, yes.
So what's the story behind it?
So I started this page out of boredom because one day I was very bored. I was searching for a job and my husband was out and I was like, what do I do? What do I do? कितनी बात कर लोगे आप अपने friends के साथ? कितनी बात कर लोगे, कुछ करोगे, you know? And once I just went on a solo date and I really enjoyed it. And then what happened in the evening, I was just showing that video to my husband, my friends, and everybody's like, wow, this is such a nice video. It's so cool and nice. And when I went, when I had a job, I went out, met some newly married girls. All of the girls had very similar problems what I was facing. Not in terms of that we were feeling anything bad at our home. Nothing related to husband or anything. It's just the mental dilemma that you face in the transition that happens, जिसमें आपको genuine identity crisis हो जाता है. And that's what led, I searched for many pages. There was no such community. There was no, either there were counselors or therapists who were, teaching or preaching something, but there was no such community for women. Just where, women could just be like, we are also facing this thing, we are also going through the same thing. And all of them can interact, talk. Even my page has all the lessons. Everything is research based. Everything is what I get DMs of. There's nothing in particular ki it's women ka age group or something. The TG is completely women oriented. So that's what I started the page. I wanted women to feel safe, that it's happening with us too.
But it's just for wives.
No, it's because I was a wife.
Huh.
Yeah, I am a wife, but it's because I started the channel when I became a wife. So that's why it was Wifey Talks. But it's for young girls, it's for teenagers, it's for women in their 40s, 50s, 60s, for everyone. I actually talk to women, who are in their prime years, and I'm also talking to women who have a lot of experience, and I learn so much from them. And the page has the content with the mix of everything.
Yes, even I could relate to your content a lot, and I'm not even married. But you just said that it's a huge transition कि unmarried से married होना
Yeah.
एक लड़की के लिए. तो एक लड़की जब शादी हो जाती है उसकी लाइफ में क्या चेंज आता है?
See, when you're in the courtship period, आप अपने boyfriend के साथ जब explore करते हैं, it's more majorly just the relationship. It's completely focused on travel, fun, experiences, conversations, date nights. जब आपका marriage होता है, it comes with a very very big responsibility, and it's very natural, because even if you think that in your relationship you're responsible, get married, then you'll actually know कि आप कैसा फील कर रहे हो आफ्टर मैरिज. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर हस्बैंड्स इमोशंस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर फैमिली, द वैल्यूज. देर आर सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स you will encounter after marriage, whether nuclear, whether joint, there is no difference to it. Problems will come when there are two people involved. And the accountability that you hold, how you balance those relationships, how you're mending the arguments, the fights, how much you're learning, it's completely different than what you encounter, because आप एक family में एक set upbringing से आए हो, आपके different experiences रहे हैं. After marriage, everything
Exactly.
changes. The culture is completely changing.
Exactly.
The mindset changes. आप अपनी family में बहुत freely कुछ भी बात कर सकते हो. At times it happens that after marriage it takes a lot of time to adjust. कि you have to, make the other person feel what you're experiencing, and he will also take time. It's a journey.
But like you are saying कि relationship में जब होते हैं you are in love.
Yeah.
And as a boyfriend girlfriend you both have a different relationship. और शादी के बाद when you're a husband and wife तब relationship different हो जाती है, because I think family gets involved.
Yes.
You have different responsibilities. You have
Correct.
to think of other people. Boyfriend girlfriend में तुम एक दूसरे के बारे में ही सोच रहे हो, प्यार में पड़े हुए हो,
Hunky
तुम्हें कोई और
dory.
नहीं दिख रहा.
Butterflies. Yeah.
बट शादी होने के बाद तुम्हें हस्बैंड नहीं, तुम्हें उनके पेरेंट्स, उनकी बहन है, भाई है, whatever, you have to think of all of them.
Yeah.
तो फिर ऐसा भी होता है कि women feel lost somewhere in that, because that family is stranger. तो
Yeah.
उस family में जिस family में वो शादी करके गई हैं वहाँ पे अकेलापन आता है.
So not that it never happened with me personally, because honestly after marriage, like, my family is beautiful. Like my husband's side is amazing, very
Touch wood.
supportive, very lovely. My father-in-law is like a dream father-in-law anyone can ever imagine. So that is not the thing, but the experiences that I've had with other women, they have shared कि, the dilemma in a house where यहाँ मदर इन लॉज के साथ इशू है, यहाँ सिस्टर इन लॉज के साथ इशू है, यहाँ पे आपके डिफरेंट रिलेटिव्स के साथ इशू है. See, just for example, in my case, it was just the compatibility between me and my husband, and families were already aligned. So,
Okay.
but that is also another struggle, because see, two people will have different experiences, different upbringing.
Yeah.
But in general cases, जैसे कि जिसमें family थोड़ा close knit है, साथ में रहते हैं, या फिर उनमें उन तरीके के experiences बहुत different, and there I feel that a major responsibility falls out on people जो एक डॉटर इन लॉ को अपने घर में रख रहे हैं. दे आर कॉलिंग अ गर्ल फ्रॉम अनदर हाउस.
Agreed.
इट्स completely a responsibility of mother-in-law, father-in-law to make her feel more welcome than their own daughter. So if you've read this छोटा सा podcast by Sharmila Tagore ji, you'll see how she's saying that my daughter and daughter-in-law, they are different people. My daughter already knows my temper. I know her. I know her temperament. I know how to deal with her. मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ नहीं है, उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता है. आई हैव टू मेक हर फील मोर वेलकम देन आई वुड एवर मेक माई डॉटर फील स्पेशल. शी हैज़ टू फील अकस्टम्ड एंड स्मूथली ट्रांजिशन टू द फैमिली. सो वो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है इट हैज़ टू बी, there should be a cultural difference now in India now when it comes to women who are, wanting to adapt that culture.
I think that's a beautiful explanation. If we go dive deeper into it, there's a debate going, मतलब it has been going on for a while now कि जैसे अब लड़कियां थोड़ी और independent हो गई हैं, and when they get married, especially in love marriage, तो वो they don't want to live with their husband's parents or family. Now there's two sides of the coin. अब कहा जाता है कि इट्स रॉन्ग कि वो हस्बैंड को अपनी फैमिली से दूर कर रही है, बट एट द सेम टाइम शी इज़ ऑल्सो लिविंग अ फैमिली, तो women टेक अ स्टैंड ऑन दिस कि हम भी छोड़ के आ रहे हैं, तो you can also and we can start a new family. Now what's the right side then?
But are you talking about a woman who is going to a joint family now expecting कि वो nuclear हो जाए, like
As
she
in
and
कि
her husband
पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं.
हाँ, कि वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ है. दिस इज द कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट यू आर सपोज्ड टू हैव बिफोर मैरिज. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी बैड कि आप बिफोर मैरिज प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो हाँ हाँ वील ऑल स्टे टुगेदर, एंड आफ्टर मैरिज यू आर सेइंग नहीं नहीं लेट्स बी इन अ न्यूक्लियर सेटअप, बिकॉज दिस यू शुड ऑलरेडी नो, बिकॉज मे बी द गाय इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव कि आई विल मैरी दिस गर्ल, मेरे ये चेकलिस्ट हैं, इसके ये चेकलिस्ट हैं, नाउ लेट्स गेट मैरिड. सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ कोलैप्स इन अ मैरिज कैसे होता है, आपने मैरिज से पहले कुछ और प्रॉमिस किया, मैरिज के बाद आप कुछ और चाह रहे हो. सो नॉट टू मेक इट साउंड कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल, व्हाइल आई फील इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग कि इंडियन वेडिंग्स में यू नो इट्स ऑल अबाउट वेन्यूज एंड कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड ओह माय
I
गॉड.
want to get married for that only.
Yeah, but it's very important कि मैरिज से पहले डिस्कशंस लाइक फाइनेंशियल्स, डिस्कशंस लाइक डूज एंड डोंट्स, की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. आप जब एक जॉब में जाते हो, किसी भी जॉब में जाते हो, आप पूछते हो ना मेरे कौन से KRAs हैं, किस चीज़ से आप मेरे को बोनस दोगे, किस चीज़ से मैं क्या प्रॉबेबली फायर हो सकती हूँ. आपका रूममेट आता है, आप रूममेट से आप अपनी रूममेट से पूछते हो कि ओके आई डोंट वांट टू हैव अ स्मोकिंग रूममेट, यू नो आई डोंट वांट यू टू बी स्मोकिंग हियर, और आई डोंट वांट यू टू पुट स्पीकर्स इन द मॉर्निंग, वट एवर आप पूछते हो. सो देन व्हाई बिफोर मैरिज यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू योर वाइफ और योर हस्बैंड कि दीज आर माई डूज एंड डोंट्स, दीज आर माई नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स. सो देयर इज नो right or wrong to it. If any girl is put up in that situation where you already know that the guy is in a joint family setup, you're supposed to ask him before marriage that can we have a nuclear thing. Maybe you need to talk to his mother, is she okay with it, because see parents ने भी आपको बड़ा किया है, now they are also growing older day by day, they also need support system, right?
Agreed.
So it has to be both ways.
And what about if the girl wants to stay with her family?
Then the boy will be the मतलब, how is that possible? Okay, I mean it's totally up to the, I think there are many marriages like that.
Yeah,
I've
there
heard
are.
that. I mean
There
the
are.
guys have transitioned to the
Yeah.
family. There's nothing again, as I said कि it's not gender bias नहीं है, it's all to the comfort of both the people. There's no right or wrong here.
Yeah.
But I think if the guy is very okay, it's okay.
The crux is you talk about it before.
The crux is that before
discuss
marriage आप venues और attires करो discussion, but
ये भी
please
करो.
have these discussions. It's very important.
Yeah, makes sense. I think that's
Yeah.
the best way to go about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम फिर भी आएंगे, लेकिन at least on the ground level you are sorted.
I think conflicts are a beautiful thing that is part of a relationship.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Because अगर डायमंड निकलना है कोल से तो घिसना पड़ता है, तो थोड़ा सा घिसोगे, फ्रिक्शन आएगा, तभी तो कुछ सुंदर निकलेगा. एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आर गुड बिकॉज यू डिस्कस.
Correct.
तभी आप निकालते हो अंदर से, यू वेंट आउट, वॉमिट करते हो चीज़ें, तभी समझ आती है सामने वाले की. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आर नॉट गुड व्हेन यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन, एंड व्हेन उसका रिजल्ट से कुछ फायदा नहीं निकाल रहे.
Correct.
यू आर नॉट ब्रिंगिंग आउट
कोई आपका न्यूट्रल वो ही नहीं आ रहा है मिड पॉइंट.
हाँ, कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा उस वजह से. वहाँ पे इट मेक सेंस कि लड़ाइयाँ होना गलत हो रहा है.
करेक्ट.
Okay, I want to talk about self-love with you because that is the first word that I read in your bio.
Yeah.
And I want to explore that because it's a beautiful concept, but बहुत easily अभी तक हर किसी को समझ भी नहीं आया है.
Correct.
It's not just
A spa day.
skincare, spa date,
Yeah.
solo date.
It's not.
What is it about? What is self-love then?
So initially when I started reading about मैंने काफ़ी books में ये self love और you know self healing, all these words. I'm currently doing this book Art of Change. It's a very beautiful book. It's again a self love book. So most of the people usually what they say about self love is कि आप एक पैम्पर डे कर लो, यू नो योर सेल्फ केयर, स्पा डे, आपकी फ्रेंड कॉल कर रही है, यूर सिटिंग टुगेदर. सी द आइडिया ऑफ सेल्फ लव इज ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. इट्स अ हैबिट. हाउ यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर सेल्फ इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ सेल्फ लव. बिकॉज अगर आप खुद से इतनी गंदी तरीके से बात कर रहे हो कि अरे मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ऐसे ही होगा, आई विल ऑलवेज गेट फायर्ड, इट विल हैपन. दे आर एनर्जीज प्लेइंग अराउंड इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. सो आप अपने बारे में जैसा सोचते हो वैसा ही होता है. अनदर पार्ट ऑफ सेल्फ लव इज ऑल्सो जब आप कोई गलतियां करते हो लाइफ में. वी ऑल आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स, राइट? वी आर इन द प्राइम एज जहाँ पे हम अभी तो हमने कुछ सीखा ही नहीं है. वी आर ऑल लर्निंग. सो इन दिस टाइम एंड एज आपसे जब गलतियां हो रही हैं, आप इतना डूब जाते हो ग्रीफ में. इफ यू एवर हियर hear this podcast by Gaur Gopal Das ji, you'll get to know how he said that I have forgiven myself on so many things because I've made blunders in my life.
Everybody does.
Everybody does, but the expectation of a monk is कि नहीं हम तो गलतियाँ करते ही नहीं है. Same with Jay Shetty. We all are making mistakes. तो आप खुद से कैसे बात करते हो is the first step. And next is that आप हर दिन अपनी कैसे आप, it's not spiritual practices, these are growth practices. Whether it's a gratitude journal, whether it's a habit tracker, whether it's awareness of making mistakes. Making mistakes is never a problem. The key learnings you're coming out of it is how are you communicating your conflicts with your partner or relative or friends, or how are you doing all these things. These are the ideas of self love. Then जो surface level की चीज़ें हैं which comes, हाँ, skin care, ठीक है, you're having a bad day, rather than cribbing about it and venting out too much, do take care of yourself. Just shred off these negative
What
energies.
makes you happy, do
What
it.
makes you happy? It could be a 20-minute dance to a song that you really like, and it's okay.
I think the way you have explained, अगर उसको हम summarize करें, you have given me surface level, which
And
is
internal.
the skincare and all, and the deeper level, internal level, जिसमें I should not be harsh to myself.
Correct.
I should forgive myself. The way I talk to myself, self-talk जो है, वो
Self-talk.
negative नहीं होना चाहिए. Because even कितना भी मैं अपने, even I am a psychologist, कितना भी मैं अपने clients को समझा लूँ, even I do that to myself. कि मैंने सपोज मेरा काउंसलिंग सेशन अच्छा नहीं गया, आई एम वेरी हार्श टू माई सेल्फ, मैंने कितना गलत किया, आई डोंट डिजर्व दिस, आई एम नॉट अ गुड साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी नीड टू बी practicing self-love at that time.
You need to appreciate if you had a bad session of you took a client meeting, it probably didn't go well, but it can go well in the next meeting, right? You still did a good job. It's very important. It's very important to appreciate yourself for the things that you're doing.
But there's a boundary between self-love and selfishness.
Correct.
तो where is that boundary कि self love को हम क्रॉस करके selfishness में ना आ जाए?
मुझे एक वीडियो के लिए बहुत बैशिंग मिली थी इसमें. I remember this particular video I made on self love, and there was this lady who said that I had this practice throughout the day. I was very happy, I was enjoying my day and everything, but next morning I had a very big fight with my husband on this thing, and he said how can you take a day off and whatever. The idea between selfishness and self love is that आप जो self love daily practices है, first of all they are internal practices. The second thing is एक गिल्टी प्लेजर जो हर वुमन अनफॉर्चुनेटली they're bound with so many tasks during the day. बच्चा बीमार है, expectation is that a woman is going, husband is sick, you have to go, your mother-in-law wants you, she's screaming, you have to go. The idea is that you have to take your responsibilities very seriously, and in the midst of all of this, especially for the women who are doing a lot, जिनके पास probably house help नहीं है, support नहीं है, they need to have a separate time to themselves. It could just be 15 or 20 minutes in a day, but nowhere self-love is ever said कि आप अपनी responsibilities हटा के अपनी इतनी care करो कि you look selfish. That should never be the game.
Again, what's the boundary then?
That is the boundary. It's the awareness where you're knowing कि ये मेरी responsibility है. What is the task? You have to prioritize yourself first. That is the thing, that your mental health is good. Now जितनी भी आपकी mental practices हैं for your awareness and emotional well-being, they're all internal. It can be, I can be sitting and having a cup of coffee with my husband, and I can still be doing it internally. That's the first priority. In your to-do list, you're the priority, which is your internal health. The next thing comes your family responsibilities, your husband, your child, your parents. That is your primal responsibilities, because it will be very harsh अगर आप सिर्फ एक spa day के लिए 2 दिन चले गए and they're struggling without you. That's very wrong.
But at some point of time, let's say it's been a month that the mother has been giving all of herself to the child and the husband.
Correct.
Now she needs 2 days off. But वो पति और बच्चा रह ही नहीं पा रहा मम्मी के बिना. So they are being a little difficult.
See, that's where you need to communicate. You have to have that awareness कि आपको अपने husband के साथ, this is the time when now your family needs to understand.
Yes.
It works both ways.
Yeah.
It's not one way कि आप you become an extremist and you're diving towards either of the ways. So there, I think in today's time, the cultural difference that I'm seeing in men, in my office I see all the time ki, if their wives are sick, the guys are taking leaves. So it no longer that old time sake जो पहले होता था ना कि हमारे fathers were not there, like my father was there, but in general कि like कि fathers इतने busy रहते हैं कि बच्चों के साथ time नहीं है, mothers are the only ones. it doesn't happen in this generation. They are very afraid to lose women
I agree. Yeah.
because they're strong. Women in today's time, they're very strong.
Yeah. I've seen around my, of course, surrounding in the society, पेट्रियार्की ने कंडीशन कर दिया है वुमेन को कि वो अपनी वर्थ, सेल्फ वर्थ को अटैच कर रही हैं दूसरों से. मे बी देयर किड्स, मे बी देयर सक्सेसफुल हस्बैंड. तो उनकी सेल्फ वर्थ वहीं तक रह गई है. द मोमेंट, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल कि उनका बच्चा कॉलेज के लिए चला गया एंड देयर हस्बैंड इज बिजी, उनका वो दे थिंक कि मेरे पास और कुछ है ही नहीं, हु एम आई. उनका तब वो एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस आता है उस पॉइंट पे कि हु एम आई, बिकॉज उनके लाइफ में 40 साल 20 years 30 years उस हस्बैंड और बच्चे के अलावा कुछ था ही नहीं.
करेक्ट.
स्पेशली द होम मेकर्स.
करेक्ट.
तो ये जो हम अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ को दूसरों के साथ अटैच कर रहे हैं, हाउ डू वी ओवरकम इट?
It's again, see, everything comes down to the bottom of the barrel. Only two things: there are acceptance and awareness. See, there are women empowerment doesn't mean कि आप किसी woman who doesn't probably want to work and she's happy at her home space, you're dragging her to workplace. That is also wrong. If she doesn't want to do it, she just doesn't want to do it. So the whole idea is कि वो woman क्या चाहती है. If she's happy the way कि she's projecting herself कि हाँ ठीक है मेरा बच्चा ये सब कुछ है, but then you know what happens? These little sentences that women play with the kids कि तुम्हारे लिए तो मैंने सब कुछ किया और देखो तुम आप क्या कर रहे हो. See, that expectation हो गया ना आपका. Exactly, because you bought the child because you wanted to be a mother. It's not that it has to be a reciprocal thing कि अब बच्चा has to surrender to you. The respect, the love and everything comes very natural. But now the higher expectations that have come up to कि अभी तक हमने तुम्हें देखा अब तुम हमें देखो. That is a very wrong expectation. That is where you're supposed to understand what you really want in your life. And that's the only way you can break these barriers.
So do you think like a message to the women who are watching जो इतने सालों तक होम मेकर्स रहे हैं, because एक टाइम था women were not working that much, तो most of the people in our family, majority women, I would say 50% women are home makers right now. जो हमारी पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन है, मेरे पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन है, and now that they are seeing कि उनके बच्चे बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हैं, now they are getting time to understand who am I. अब इस टाइम पे they think मैं जॉब भी क्या करूँगी, इस टाइम मुझे थोड़ा ना जॉब मिलेगी. then वो घर पे लड़ना चालू हो जाता है, because that comes out in that way कि घर में लड़ाइयाँ बढ़ रही हैं, रिलेशंस ख़राब हो रहे हैं या रिलेटिव्स के साथ कहीं ना कहीं निकल रहा है. तो now it's the point कि अब कैसे वो करें इस चीज़ को ठीक.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है आज के डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में इतने ज़्यादा स्कोप है of work and opportunities. If you see in today's time, nobody has one job. Everybody is like, अच्छा Instagram भी है, YouTube भी है, कितना कुछ है करने के लिए. There's so many women. I don't know if you've heard about this Gujarati woman. She started her khakra and all this business on Instagram and YouTube. There's this Dadi's Kitchen. I love that channel. I love her. She's so cute. It makes me miss my Dadi, you know. And I've shown it to my Dadi also. Like, see how they're cooking, they're doing things. She's getting brands also. She's making money. She's so happy. See, this is a way you
need to find a way.
You need to get inspired from all these people. You have to look up to them. Ki look, she's at the age of 76 and cooking. She doesn't need money. She has her kids working. She has a pension. She's so happy. But look at her, you know, every days एक वो आपको एक go to एक ना अंदर से motivation भी मिलता है to do something in life.
Agree.
Let's make a change in society. Let's contribute.
Because you have time.
Because you have time.
So you can do it.
Yeah. And you're having fun.
Yes, and you don't have to be the breadwinner from it. कि ऐसा pressure नहीं है कि तुम्हें कमाना है और बच्चे पालना है. Correct. तो you should explore the world.
This is the age. वो तो एक actually में that's the best age of your life because आपकी सारी responsibilities are done. Now is the time you're completely exploring and doing all these things, you know.
You've changed the perspective for me on this.
So it's so amazing. I love these channels.
That's great. That's a beautiful perspective. अगर मतलब हम इस चीज़ को इस वे में ना लें, जो हम negative way में हम समझ रहे थे इस चीज़ को, and इस वे में लें कि what we can do now. And it's like a whole world is at your feet and you can do anything. Anything you can do
in today's world.
If you think about again the women and the world, तो the thing that disturbs me a lot is that the world and even the brands and everything, they prey on women's insecurities a lot. तो हमारी ही इनसिक्योरिटीज़ पे प्रे करके हमारे से ही पैसा ले भी रहे हैं और इनसिक्योर भी बना रहे हैं हमें उन एड से भी, उन प्रोडक्ट से भी, और फिर वो चलता नहीं तो हम और अंदर जाए. तो इट्स लाइक यू गेट इनटू दैट cage rat wala and you're just running on it, or your insecurities are getting preyed on. So see, वी ऑल हैव अ लिटिल बिट इनसिक्योरिटी. कोई मुझे कहेगा यू लुक परफेक्ट, बट आई नो मेरे में क्या
हाँ, everyone
इनसिक्योरिटीज
has.
है. तो हाउ डू आई एक्सेप्ट दैट?
I think, see, acceptance तो आएगा ही ना. आप everybody is an insecure being.
Yeah.
From being the stars to the politicians to all the known people to the people you're meeting. आपको लगता होगा maybe they have confidence in something. उनके अंदर किसी ना किसी चीज, it could be weight gain, it could be pimples, it could be dark circles, it could be hair, it could be anything. आपको अंदर ही अंदर कुछ ना कुछ insecurity हर किसी को ही आती है. The idea is अगर आप if you've seen this छोटा सा clip by Mr. Bean, your entire life एक क्लोजअप शॉट में इट्स अ वेरी सैड थिंग. यू आर गोना क्राई, अरे यार वो ब्रेकअप हो गया, ऐसा हो गया. इन द लॉन्ग शॉट यू आर गोइंग टू बी सो लाइक यू आर गोना लाफ एट योरसेल्फ, ओ माय गॉड आई रियली डेटेड दैट गाय. सो अगर आप लॉन्ग शॉट में देखो, आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज बहुत छोटी हैं. इट्स यू हैव टू चेंज द पर्सपेक्टिव इन योर माइंड टुवर्ड्स योर इनसिक्योरिटीज, दैट दे आर डीप रूटेड फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड. लेयर्स 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 एक्यूमुलेट हो गया, आपने कारपेट के अंदर रख दिया, अब वो माइंड में हो गया, आपने उसको ब्रश नहीं किया, हील नहीं किया, you're moving on every day without actually clearing from your mind. So a person who has I have never met anybody who is saying I'm 100% a very secure
Correct.
person, because it's not possible.
It's not possible.
आपको कुछ ऐसी insecurity होगी आपकी लाइफ में. It could be work, it could be weight, anything.
Anything.
It will be there.
And अगर कुछ नहीं लग रहा हो तो हम ढूंढ भी लेते हैं.
It will be there. So
हम
why
ढूंढते
why
हैं.
can't we just have a laugh about our insecurities? क्या है, this is the way I am.
Take
I'm
it
working on
lightly.
Take it lightly. You have to take it lightly.
easier said than done.
But you
इतना
have to take it.
easily नहीं होता.
But you have
How
to
do
take
you
it
do
lightly.
that?
I am a funny person. I'm a funny person, but no, on the deeper level, if I experience कि हाँ ये एक genuine problem है, I have the right people around me whom I know कि यहाँ पे constructive criticism मिलेगा. It's not going to be कि मुझे बुरा feel कराया जाएगा, या if I'm sharing with my husband, he's not going to be judging me at the back of his mind कि what a stupid girl she is.
Yeah.
Maybe he thinks, but he's not going to tell me. But the idea is that you have to go to the right spaces to understand these things. कोई insecurity ऐसी which is harming other people as well as your mindset, that insecurity is wrong. जहाँ तक it is limited to you yourself and you're working on it in a conscious manner, it is completely okay, because we all have those.
I think the point that I liked the most about this was कि you go and talk to the person who will make you feel secure.
Who can make you feel secure in a way.
Yeah, because हम ऐसे इंसान हैं, हम अपनी कम सुनेंगे, दूसरों की ज़्यादा सुनते हैं.
Correct.
और जब हम दूसरे से सुनेंगे तो हम ज़्यादा बिलीव करेंगे. And when you have your husband or you have a friend, your parent, जिस पे भी तुम trust करते हो, you talk to them कि I don't like this about myself.
Yeah.
And they will give you such a different perspective,
They'll
how
give you a different
they
perspective.
see you, how
Yeah.
they see your insecurity,
Yeah.
and you will start believing it. There comes a point you start believing it, and that changes your perspective. So I think the main thing is you put that trust in that person जो इससे आप इस बारे में बात कर सको.
Correct.
And you need to find that person.
You need to find that space.
It's very difficult to find that kind of
होगा.
people in life.
You can see there are many people in your life who will really love you unconditionally. You can find them.
Yes.
It could be your parents, it could be your friend, it could be your sister. There'll be somebody.
Yeah, that you will find it.
You will have it.
How do women stop apologizing for taking space? Physically, mentally, emotionally? Because women are said बहुत sensitive है, बहुत emotional है, हर बात पे रोती है, इतना strongly feel करती है. Because they are taking space.
Correct.
Now, women take space more emotionally and less physically or mentally, right? तो and they apologize for it. अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी physically भी ले, and even emotionally ले. So what's your take on this?
I think they're apologizing in front of the wrong person. That's the first thing. Because with the right person, you have to understand, पहली बात तो women in general are very emotional beings. In general. Because every month we are experiencing a very extreme high hormonal cycle.
Yes.
Like I could cry for no damn reason. I'm not going to cry today. But I can cry.
Yeah.
If like वो होता है ना suddenly. It
Yeah.
happens. It could be a very small thing. But आपके mind में वो emotion exaggerate हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा. So when you're apologizing for your emotion in the correct situation, you're apologizing to the wrong person, because the right person will never want you to explain yourself here. And in the other situations जहाँ पे आपको feel हो रहा है थोड़ा unstable है, it's the idea is that you have to accept yourself.
Yeah.
You have to understand कि emotions तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. So what is the need for us, because ये हमारी primal instinct है. We are
Yes.
emotional beings. That's why a mother's love is very different than a father's love.
Yes.
So it's the acceptance.
There is one more line I heard ki that women express their emotions by speaking, by talking. That's how they are able to understand their
Yeah.
emotions कि बात करके, and men do it differently.
Correct.
तो जो कहते हैं ना कि लड़कियां बात ज़्यादा करती हैं एंड इतना एक्सप्रेस करती हैं, वो इसलिए बिकॉज उस प्रोसेस में दे आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर इमोशंस. Is it true that women's emotional world and emotional mind is very complex?
मुझे लगता है कि विमेन इन जनरल दे डू जगल विद अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स बिकॉज उनके दिमाग में इतने टास्क, इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. बिकॉज सी, I don't want to deny that men also have societal pressure. It's not completely true. They also have
Yeah,
it
they do.
because they also need to be financially very secure. They are the first. They're the first ones to look up as कि अच्छा घर है, गाड़ी है, ये सब है. But the idea is that women have to deal with a lot more than just this aspect, which is the work aspect, which is the internal house के battle. She's the spine of a house. So चाहे किसी और के emotions हैं, आपको उनकी भी care करनी है, आपको अपनी भी care करनी है. So obviously their mind is very different than men. Men are logical beings. Problem statement, solution. That's all they want.
I think I'm also logical.
That's very nice.
तो ऐसे क्या है? Again, that brings me to my next question because I was thinking about it कि it's considered that if you're more logical, more career oriented and more manly quality जिसे कहेंगे, तो आपकी femininity decrease हो रही है. Now if let's say I'm logical, मैं career oriented, तो मेरी femininity कम हो गई है.
No, absolutely not. See, logic has no relation. See, logic is another emotion. We are right now talking about the complex beings जो emotions run कर रहे हैं. जो आप emotional instability भी कभी कभी experience करते हो, उसमें भी logic है. Because आपके mind में वो आपके लिए, आपको वो emotion सही लग रहा है उस situation के according, right? You may be logical in some situations, but you may be extremely emotional in some other situations.
Yeah.
That you might feel, यार ये क्या है? So see, again, you as a woman is experiencing that. So femininity का इससे कुछ reduce होना है, उसका कुछ, actually there's no correlation. Because you're again experiencing a paramount of emotions in your body.
Women who are at like better positions in their career, let's say CEO position या बहुत अच्छी position पे है career कि they are doing successful in the career aspect, are less feminine.
I don't think so. I think feminism का उससे कुछ connection ही नहीं है. See, your feminine nature in general means that you are able to express your emotions. You may not express them at your workspace, but you might be very emotional or on certain situations, right? In your house, with your close ones, with your loved ones. It would be completely different. So at workspace, you're not supposed to obviously inflict so much of different influx of emotions. You'll be regarded as somebody very unstable. Because आपको decisions भी वैसे ही लेने पड़ते हैं. But at your home space, you're completely yourself. So if you read all about these global leaders, चाहे ओपरा हैं, चाहे प्रियंका चोपड़ा हैं, चाहे all these leaders, you see that they carry these feminine energies because they are extremely emotional. They can project those during in their acting space or in their motivational speeches. It's because आप emotions को experience कर पा रहे हो ना.
I think I love that example because Priyanka Chopra is purely feminine and at the same time very successful
and very logical.
bold, very logical, very bold and very outspoken. Love her personality. What can we learn from her then?
Balancing. She can balance everything so well. That's the thing that we need to learn because it's on her vacation she's completely with her family. She multiple times she says that I'm not even on Instagram. My team looks after it. She's there with her family. When she's working, she's there at her workspace 100%. When she's working on some UNICEF concept, she's completely there. So it's the balancing energies all around that makes a woman whole. And that's how you feel happy on a daily basis because you can balance it.
Yeah, we can learn a lot from her, how she balances her work.
Yeah.
She's a good mother, she's a good wife, and she's a good career woman as well. And she has a lot of businesses that she's running as well along with that, and she's balancing it beautifully. I don't know how can she do that.
Yeah.
Like she's a goddess on some other level.
There's so much to learn and get inspired from.
Yeah. And if we talk about femininity more, what I have experienced is, and I think a lot of people would agree on this, कुछ लड़कियां ना टॉमबॉयश होती हैं.
करेक्ट.
तो वो अपने लाइफ के अर्ली इयर्स में टॉमबॉयश होती हैं. देन दे फाइंड द राइट मैन, द राइट काइंड ऑफ मैन हु मेक्स हर फील लव्ड, सिक्योर एंड हर्ड. देन हर फेमिनिन साइड कम्स आउट.
करेक्ट.
आई हैव सीन दिस इन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. जो लड़कियां मैं तोड़ दूंगी, ढांसू है और गालियां दे रही हैं, एंड देन उनको वो लड़का मिला जहाँ वो पूरी बेबी बन चुकी है, लड़की बन चुकी है. सो दिस हैपेंस.
That happens.
तो ऐसा क्या हो जाता है when you find the right man and you find the actual right man for you, you become more feminine, more in touch with your feminine side.
मुझे लगता है इंटरनली यू ऑब्वियसली पोजेस दोज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, आपके अंदर हमेशा ही वो था. इट्स जस्ट विमेन इन जनरल एट टाइम्स दे बिल्ड अ वॉल. आपने वो वॉल बना ली बाकी सब लोगों के लिए, एंड यू ओनली वांट टू शो इट टू योर पर्सन. द वे आई एम विद माय हस्बैंड, आई वुड नॉट बी विद अदर पीपल अराउंड. व्हाई विल आई बी? बिकॉज he holds a very special place in my heart. So I'm going to be myself with him and him only. That's a completely different nature of mine that I'm not going to show at my workspace. I'm not going to show on my Instagram page or anywhere else. Likewise, you want to be with that person and connect in that level. And आपने वो लेयर सारी शेड कर दी and you completely become yourself.
Yeah.
And he also accepts you the way it is.
Agreed. And when they find the right man ना, उनकी relationship,
हाँ.
women की relationship दूसरों के साथ भी अच्छी हो जाती है.
Correct.
जो पहले शायद इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. They become better in their other relationships
better.
as well.
हाँ.
Work or maybe family or siblings or anything. तो वो wholly पूरा affect करते हैं एक right man, right?
Correct. It's a holistic approach then, because you want to learn and grow more.
Yeah. तो how I don't like, थोड़ा सा मैं और समझना चाहूँगी इस चीज़ पे, थोड़ा और explore करते हैं. When a right man comes, how do you change?
It's a very smooth transition. It happens on its own. Like in general, when before my marriage, overall, like I was a very I would say एक होता है cribbing personality. I had a very this thing innate nature of cribbing personality, and I didn't know. The point is at times you don't even know, because कभी friend ने बोला होगा, कभी ध्यान से feedback नहीं लिया, हाँ ठीक है, तो हमेशा मेरे में कमियाँ ही निकालते हैं, I'm great, but you're not. And then धीरे धीरे with certain instances I realized that my husband said, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I think you have a little cribbing nature. When you take that feedback seriously and you work on it, today I'm telling you that half of my problems have gotten eradicated because that nature has gone out. Because problems you're experiencing every day, it's just that you've shifted your perspective.
Yeah.
Problems आज भी उतनी है, but majority now the alignment of energies is very different, कि वो sort बहुत easily हो जाता है. Because आप same energy वो इतना high हो जाता है of cribbing that you at times you're unable to understand how to solve this problem.
Agreed on that.
So
because when your man, the right man, tells you that this is something that
This
you
is
should
something,
work on, you do work on it.
Yeah.
Because you take that feedback in a sense कि तुम्हें फिर you want to change that, right?
And you want to change that for yourself. It's not
Yes.
just about him. It's about your own. You also have a space and your bubble of your own. You want to improve things there also. So you're like, acha, theek hai, acha, he said this thing now, and suddenly you'll see a very drastic shift.
Yeah.
वो problems आएंगी ही नहीं.
Yeah. I want to talk about this very famous relationship that we all look up to. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma.
Yeah.
I mean, they are so beautiful together. But it's not just about the public appearances.
It's
I
so
think,
spiritual.
They have changed a lot
Yeah.
after getting married. So, if the audience that is watching this right now, what can we learn from Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli's relationship?
आपने वो ट्रेंडिंग रील देखी है वेयर विराट कोहली सेइंग इन अ वीडियो दैट आपको लगता है मैं पूजा पाठ वाला हूँ, एंड देन सडनली यू सी क्लिपिंग्स ऑफ देम गोइंग टू द आश्रम एंड सेइंग सच थिंग्स. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वो दोनों एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं इन देयर ओन वेज. सी ऐसा नहीं होगा दैट दे डोंट हैव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, ऐसा नहीं है दैट दे डोंट हैव आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, ऐसा नहीं है दैट दे डोंट हैव प्रॉब्लम्स, बट हाउ आर दे बैटलिंग इट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, हाउ आर दे ग्रोइंग टुगेदर. एक हो गया आप इंडिविजुअल स्पेस में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, आप और आपका पार्टनर. एक हो गया आप टुगेदर, आप यू आर ऑल्सो अलाइनिंग टुवर्ड्स वन थिंग. वी ऑल से दैट यू हैव टू आप अपने अपने वे में ग्रो करो, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू सपोज टू, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इन ओल्डर जनरेशंस दे यूज्ड टू से दैट हैव किड्स. इट्स नॉट फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स, इट्स बिकॉज आप एक अलाइंड हो जाते हो. अब आप उस बच्चे की ग्रोथ में देख रहे हो. लाइकवाइज इफ देयर आर सर्टन कपल्स हु डोंट वांट टू हैव किड्स, दैट्स आल्सो ओके, बट यू हैव टू बी अलाइंड. आप एक गोल होना चाहिए आपका इन लाइफ टुगेदर. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग.
I think that is a beautiful thing to like सोचने वाली बात है. अगर आपको लग रहा है आपकी रिलेशनशिप सही नहीं चल रही ना, you have individual goals but you don't have a common
goal नहीं है, common ground नहीं है. One likes traveling, the other person doesn't like traveling. One likes being foodie, the other person is very stingy eater. One likes this thing. So एक
people
together.
are different.
Different is okay. But then if you're different, then आपको एक common ground क्या है आप दोनों के बीच का, which could be anything. It could also be enjoying movies together. It could also be something, but a goal. It could be a long-term goal. It could be a goal that aligns you both on the same level of conversations.
Makes
जिससे
sense.
आपकी tuning और compatibility increase होती है. Could be creativity.
Yeah, even if both the people are very different
Very
from
different,
each
it's
other,
okay.
but if they find that one thing,
One goal.
कि they want to go to New York one day,
Yeah.
that's their one common goal. तो चाहे वो अलग काम कर रहे हैं, but they will work for
Yeah,
that one
because
goal.
we all are different. Even twins are different. How can you expect you and your partner to be
Yes,
alike?
Very true. Relationships we are talking about, right? So relationships are not all healthy. There are
Correct.
toxic relationships as well. And since we are talking about women, तो सबसे बड़ा चीज़ जो मैंने toxic relationships में देखी है कि women say I know I can fix him. एंड वो उस टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में रहती हैं सोच के मैं इस लड़के
Correct.
को बदलूंगी, ये लड़का मेरे लिए बदलेगा. इज इट द right way to think about?
No, because and I've said this, I think in many of my videos also. At times क्या होता है ना, women का innate nature होता है कि हम इसको change करें, because movies में भी यही देखा है ना, एक bad boy आया college
फिर वो
में,
good boy बन
फिर वो
गया
good
उसके
boy
लिए.
बन गया सिर्फ एक लड़की के लिए. But ऐसा real life में नहीं होता. It leads to a lot of narcissism and toxicity overall, because a man who wants to change, he will change on his own, या फिर आपके feedback देने के बाद he will show those consistent efforts and he will change. But in reality that doesn't happen. It's not that easy कि वो आप एकदम ही वो जो आपने हमने जो वैसी movies देखी हैं, सनम तेरी कसम and all these, I love that movie, but it doesn't work that way. So the idea is that आप उस same loop of narcissism and negativity में जो फंस रहे हो ना, just because आपको डर है कि और कोई partner नहीं मिलेगा या फिर you'll be alone, going back to the same person, also harassing him to change because he doesn't want to change.
True.
आपने एक सर्टन टाइम दे दिया, आपने एक फीडबैक दे दिया, नाउ ही डजंट वांट टू चेंज.
हाँ.
सो व्हाट विल यू रियली गेट आउट ऑफ इट? इजंट इट बेटर टू लीव दैट रिलेशनशिप एंड एक्चुअली बी विद द पर्सन जिनके साथ आप ज़्यादा रेजोनेट करते हो, जिनको आप expectations of change is very normal. It's okay.
Yeah.
Right? Defining your do's and don'ts and non-negotiables in any relationship is very okay. But isn't it better to define it with somebody who's ready to work on it also? Than forcing somebody to change who doesn't want to change.
Yeah. So like expecting a bad boy to become a good boy for me is a very bad expectations.
It is bad because ये in general movies में दिखाया गया है और ऐसा नहीं होता है.
नहीं
A
होता.
bad boy will change if he really wants to change.
really
ऐसा नहीं है that it's impossible. You expecting it to change is bad.
So for how long a girl should hold on?
It's you if after a certain amount of आपने किसी को चांस दिया, एक बार, दो
ठीक
बार,
है.
3 बार, आपने बोल दिया कि ठीक है, इट कुड बी एनी हैबिट ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट दैट पर्सन टू रिमूव कम्प्लीटली. बट आप देख रहे हो 2-3 बार के बाद वो नहीं चेंज कर रहा है उस चीज़ को, तो आप उसको भी स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो लाइक अ रबर बैंड. द रिलेशनशिप इज अननेसेसरीली बीइंग स्ट्रेच्ड. वो भी परेशान है, आप भी परेशान हो, एंड दोनों एक टॉक्सिक लूप में फंस गए हैं. सो या तो उसको स्पेस दे के देखो कि वेदर यू नो विदाउट यू इज ही इवन मेंडिंग दीज थिंग्स. इफ नॉट, it should be sorted that way. You have to move away.
Yeah. How do I know that my man is pulling me down? कि मेरा जो हस्बैंड या बॉयफ्रेंड है वो मुझे पुल डाउन कर रहा है और मेरी ग्रोथ को हैम्पर कर रहा है.
You know, it's a very beautiful question and I was hoping to make a video out of this. आप ना अपने body में बहुत slight triggers होते हैं. Your body knows exactly what stress is. एक stress होता है जो हम conscious level पे imagine करते हैं कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा meetings है, बहुत stress हो रहा है.
Yeah.
एक stress आपकी body feel करती है. Around that person, you have to be aware how your body is feeling. Is it relaxed? Is it happy? And I'm not saying it's supposed to be happy 100% of the times. Even if it's 70% of the times you're good. आपकी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करती है इन योर स्लीप? हाउ आर यू नेक्स्ट टू दैट पर्सन? यू नो, हाउ आर यू in general, how are your behavioral anxiety around that person? These are the triggers you're supposed to know in your body, and that is the only way you can find out.
So you need to look for the signs in your body.
In your body.
And it does happen.
It does happen with everyone. If I give you an example of my friend, she recently went through a separation and now going through a divorce. She said in the first 6 months, this happened in the first year of their marriage, and she said in the first 6 months of my marriage, I could actually experience a literal hallucination in my body. मुझे लगता था I'm being manipulated so much in so many mental ways that I could actually sometimes imagine situations which are actually not there. क्योंकि आपको वो फील हो रहा है अंदर से, यू नो, दिस पर्सन इज मेकिंग यू फील इन अ सर्टेन वे,
Yeah.
एंड दीज आर, अब वो धीरे धीरे पाइल अप होते होते आपकी बॉडी में इतने ज़्यादा ट्रिगर्स आ जाते हैं. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू फॉर यू टू नो कि माई बॉडी इज नॉट फीलिंग सेफ अराउंड दिस पर्सन. It's the whole thing that we say na, in a party of 10 people, why you can't connect with those 2 people? It's just that the body is
vibe.
not feeling relaxed with that person. It's the vibe, the energy. You'll feel suddenly drained talking to that friend. But आप एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, आपको चौथी बार शायद फोन उठाने का मन नहीं करेगा. But with certain people, how you want to go to their place and want to talk more, you feel like, oh my god, I can look into their eyes and it's so mesmerizing. They have a wonderful personality. I want to talk more. I want to have this person more in my house. I want to call this friend for night stays. How does it happen? It's all your body triggers.
Yeah. I want to know from you because I think a lot of people might be struggling with this.
Yeah.
Ki they are in a toxic relationship and they love that person and they cannot get out of that relationship because they love that person. They don't find a way, or they think कि मुझे कोई और ऐसे प्यार नहीं करेगा. They find excuses. How does that one person who loves that person so much, how do they get out of a toxic relationship?
मुझे ना बहुत बैशिंग मिली है इस वीडियो. मैंने बनाया है ये मेरे फर्स्ट 10 या 15 वीडियोस थे. It's the video which had more than 200 comments and all the guys were like, oh look, she's the one who's the relationship breaker. And I was like, these guys not understanding, या फिर boys want to create this controversy जो ये लड़के ये सब करते हैं ना, like जहाँ पे लड़की थोड़ा सा aware हो गई and she wants to end things, you think that the girl is showing power there. It's because उसको अपनी mental peace ज़्यादा प्यारी है, you know, she wants to now feel at peace.
Yeah.
So it's very important. आप एक toxic cycle में फंस रहे हो, which is, see, at times all relationships become toxic. That is also very true. Every relationship,
Elaborate on that.
healthiest of the healthiest relationship, at times because of our own insecurities, they both get triggered. And usually, I don't know, yesterday only I was reading this article, I don't know how much this is true, but it is said to be of the true soulmates, एक का trigger दूसरे के trigger को active कर देता है. It's like if you have fear of a certain thing and आप एक certain way में react कर रहे हो, the other person, because of your trigger, is going to react on his triggers and दोनों के trigger active हो जाते हैं. And the idea of the soulmate is that they both are learning and adapting and growing together on these triggers. And that is why they're actually called soulmates, because they are now learning and growing.
Yeah, they're connected.
They're
in some way.
connected. They're connected in some way. कि वो उन चीज़ों को trigger करना. I have personally experienced this thing.
Give me an example.
How can I give this example? I don't know, but
Okay, we'll not consider it कि आपकी relationship का है.
अरे पर अब तो मैंने बोल दिया ना. now so it's no. I'll think about it, but it's like if suppose, for example, there is a certain insecurity in my mind. But if my partner is also conditioned since childhood कि मुझे ये इस insecurity से बहुत ज़्यादा problem है, he is going to naturally attract the person जिसको ये insecurity है, and जो partner को जिस चीज़ की problem है, that he is getting scared of, the other person naturally aligns with that person because me as a person, I also have to work on that insecurity, right? So that's how 2 people work on these things. That's what I'm trying to say.
I get it. This happened to you.
Yeah, this happened. It's not only to me, but in general, I was just reading about this. How many couples are experiencing this?
Yeah, it makes sense. This does happen. I think वो हम notice नहीं कर पाते.
वो हम notice नहीं कर पाते.
हाँ, but ये बहुत unconsciously ये चल रहा होता है.
ये चल रहा है, तो आप उस toxicity से निकलने के लिए there are 2 ways. या तो both really work on it and grow together, come to a common ground, which happens in most healthy couples. कि वो they work on it and they sort it out.
वो toxic relationship में होना थोड़ा chances कम है.
वो फिर उसके बाद वो toxicity आने में बहुत considerable आपको reduction दिख जाता है.
अच्छा.
Then there is another loop where, for example, I can give you another example of another person. Now I remember.
ठीक है.
There's this person who is very scared that my husband, I don't want him to drink or smoke. मुझे बचपन से उस चीज़ का fear है.
I've seen a lot of people like this.
And suddenly you attract the person who happens to be a very heavy drinker and a heavy smoker. And this person who is a heavy drinker or a smoker doesn't want to be controlled in that thing, but attracts the person who's controlling him in the exact same manner. Correct? So these are the 2 triggers of 2 people who are getting attracted and working on their journey together. And I have seen that couples have worked on it. So a person who's this heavy drinker on a 7-day basis now becomes a person who probably drinks twice in a week.
How does that happen?
it happens because he cares about his wife. It happens because he wants the relationship to work. It happens because they don't want to have the chaotic environment at their space.
makes sense.
And this person who's not okay with 7-day drinking comes to a common ground that ठीक है आप 2 दिन drink कर लो. I'm okay with it. As long as you're not stepping out of the house, you're safe, you're not driving, I want you to drink here.
Yeah, I
So-
think that's what I suggest a lot of people as well. कि come
Yeah.
to a common
Come
ground.
to a common ground.
2 कदम आप चलो, 2 कदम
कदम
आप
आप
चलो,
चलो.
and you come to the
Exactly.
common ground.
This
now.
is the only way to life.
Yeah.
एक extremist कहीं पे भी नहीं टिकता.
Yes.
Either your husband is not going to work on these things कि आप जिस चीज़ से ओके नहीं हो, और आपका भी नहीं होगा. I can put on a paper कि नहीं ये मेरे लिए नॉन नेगोशिएबल है, बट आपको किसी चीज़ में कॉमन ग्राउंड में आना ही पड़ेगा.
आना ही पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट.
बट नाउ एंड में एक बार डिफाइन वंस अगेन फॉर मी कि जो लड़की सोचती है कि मैं टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में हूँ बट बहुत प्यार करती है और निकल नहीं पा रही, हाउ डज शी गेट आउट ऑफ दैट रिलेशनशिप?
You have to come to the acceptance that your mental peace is everything. अगर आपको अपनी mental peace प्यारी नहीं है, it will actually happen that you will be in that relationship for the next 2 decades. You will lose your hair, you will lose your personality, and you will become one of those stingy people we meet जो सिर्फ बुराइयाँ करते हैं, जिनके पास कुछ अच्छा topics नहीं है, जिनके पास कुछ नहीं. You'll become that person. So if you're really scared to become that person, you have to come out of that relationship because it's not benefiting that guy also. If you think about it, he's also a soul, he's also a person, right? He hasn't harmed 10 people that you are wanting to do back to him, but नहीं बन रही है, and it's okay.
You need to accept
Beyond
that
repair, nothing can work.
या आई थिंक वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते ये चीज़ कि मेरी इसके साथ नहीं बन रही.
Correct. You don't want to be in that dating circle. You don't want to do that, but I completely understand it's a horrifying space
हाँ.
at times.
वो कहते हैं ना
But,
कौन
हाँ.
इतना एफर्ट डाले दोबारा पूरा बताने का कि मेरा फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है.
Correct.
इतना एफर्ट कौन डाले दोबारा.
Correct.
तो वो ये चीज़ आ गई. मैंने ये मीम भी देखा तो आई थिंक वो दोबारा कि एक इंसान को जानना, अपने आप को खोलना दोबारा, उस चीज़ में ना जाने के लिए वो उस टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में रह रहे होते हैं.
बिकॉज दे सो स्कैर्ड. आपको अकेलेपन से डर है, बट द आइडिया इज आप अकेले होके जब खुश रहना सीखोगे तब आप एक्चुअली में बाकी लोगों को वो एनर्जी भी दे पाओगे, वो भी आपके साथ फिर खुश रहेंगे. आपको अकेलेपन से डर है तो फिर सब आपसे दूर भागेंगे.
आई थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस क्योंकि ये मैंने बहुत लोगों में अपने सराउंडिंग्स में फ्रेंड्स में देखा है. लोगों को अकेले रहने से डर लगता है.
करेक्ट.
लोगों को अकेला नहीं रहना, उनको ऑल द टाइम किसी से बात करनी है या कोई ना कोई आसपास चाहिए. दे कांट बी अलोन, दे कांट बी विद देमसेल्व्स. हाउ वुड यू चेंज दैट?
You have to find activities that you really enjoy, honestly. And I can tell this thing, but like I love spending time with my family, with my husband, with my father-in-law, or my father, or my grandmother, my buas. I love it. But when I'm alone, like you can put me in just one room.
Yeah.
And I can spend hours. I can listen to the music. I can journal. I can meditate. I can just do the things. I love mandala art. I can watch, and I don't even need TV, to be honest. That is something जो मैं there's so much work and there's so much stress and deadlines. I just watch it. But if you give me these things, these 5-6 things, I can spend an entire day. You have to find your interests. That's what your early 20s are for. You need to find your interest. It could be anything. गार्डनिंग अच्छा लगता है, गार्डनिंग करो. गाने अच्छे लगते हैं, वॉक पे जाओ, गाने सुनो. बट डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट कि फ्राइडे नाइट है, अभी मैं भागूँ एक क्लब में, अभी मैं भागूँ, बिकॉज वो बहुत ही खोखली खुशी है. आपको ना 2 घंटे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बट 4 बजे तक आप ड्रिंक करोगे एंड देन यूल बी बैक एट होम एट 11 when you'll wake up, or 1 o'clock maybe. When you wake up, you're not going to enjoy it because life is again back.
Yeah, exactly. तो you need to find the activity जो आप अकेले भी कर सकते हो,
The
and you can
source of
spend time
happiness.
with yourself.
Yeah.
And that makes you happy. And that happens in your 20s, you just said that, right?
You can nurture those interests. Interest तो देखो कभी भी आ सकता है,
हाँ,
but in general 20s is the space जहाँ पे आपको you need to self discover. You need to
Exactly.
enjoy that space.
But I think 20s are the most difficult
Difficult
decade
time,
in your
yeah.
life.
Yeah.
20s
difficult.
are filled with confusion,
Yeah.
feeling lost, feeling not in place. मतलब there are so many mixed emotions. So if you have I'm a 20s person, of course. So how would you tell me to stay calm and take control
But you're
of
already so
myself?
calm. I'm the one who's not calm.
But let's say some 20s people are watching. I'm not saying I'm perfect here, but even I have some days where I feel so confused in my career, in my relationships, could be anything. So how would you advise a 20s वाला person कि क्या होगा life में?
मुझे लगता है कि 20s इज द टाइम जब आप पूरा एक्सप्लोर करते हो अच्छे से एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो एक जॉब शिफ्ट इज समथिंग दैट आपका कभी भी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहता. लाइक आफ्टर 5 years आई कैन completely shift to another field, but as long as I can manage my own expenses, I don't think you should never be too burdening on the family कि आप every year you're expecting that they should pay for your expenses and everything. As long as that thing is sorted,
ठीक है.
it is completely up to you. You need to explore, you need to switch jobs, you need to really have a mindset of doing cultural things, you need to understand yourself, you need to have these habits of of mental wellness, because see, physical wellness bhi can be completely okay agar aapka mental health is okay.
Agreed.
Otherwise everything is down. See, everything is repairable. Money making is a lifelong process. And then comes your travel, your discovery. You can cry on the floor in your 20s. It's completely okay. You're supposed to do that. You're
Okay.
a kid.
Okay.
So it's okay.
आई थिंक 20s के बाद रोना नहीं चाहिए. 20s से पहले जितना रो लिया
नहीं, फिर फ्लोर पे नहीं रोते, फिर हम ऐसे बैठे बैठे रो सकते
अपने वर्क डेस्क पे रो.
हाँ, फिर वर्क डेस्क पे रो, बट रोना तो आता ही
रोना है.
Yeah.
बट जैसे कंफ्यूजन जो फीलिंग होती है ना, आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो जो कंफ्यूजन फील होती है लाइफ में, बिकॉज अभी बहुत यंग है बट लोग इतना एडल्ट भी फील करा रहे हैं. फिर हमें भी
Responsibilities आ रही
एडल्ट
हैं.
फील होना भी है बट अपनी यंगर सेल्फ को भी नहीं छोड़ना. तो 20s इज लाइक बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग द मोस्ट.
Yeah.
उस पॉइंट पे हाउ डू यू स्टे कनेक्टेड टू योर सेल्फ?
The only way you can stay connected to yourself, जब आप ऐसे dilemmas और इन situations में आते हैं ना, you're actually supposed to talk to somebody who's a decade or a 15-year elder person, and they can actually guide you in the right manner.
True.
Because आपकी problems अभी आपको बहुत बड़ी लग रही है ना, after 5 years you'll realize ये क्या था ये जो हुआ. It is so stupid, I feel so stupid. So you need to talk to all those people who are experienced, who are genuinely your well-wishers, and they can guide you in that manner. कि तो lost you'll be feeling in every year.
इवन इन 40s 50s.
Even in 40s, 50s, 60s भी आप lost feel कर सकते हो. But you need to talk to somebody with experience. Right? That is why अगर आप देख रहे हो आजकल बहुत सारे ऐसे channels हो गए हैं which are on what are the people in their 60s, 70s, what are they telling you, one life lesson that you can learn, what are the 3 things. Have you heard ever, आप सबका एक crux निकाल लो, all these people who are saying, and they only say one thing. You are thinking that this problem is big right now. It is not so big. Because अभी तो problems आएंगी life में, challenging ones.
ओके, तो आपने डरा दिया ये तो.
No, I mean, they will come, but I'm saying that if you have the right mindset, you can overcome anything in life. You will see कि किसी की life आप जब पढ़ते हो, आप जब किसी की भी history पढ़ रहे हो, उनके childhood देख रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो उनकी life में कितना कुछ हुआ है, and they are so happy and positive. You look around, talk to people, see their battles.
आई थिंक जिनकी लाइफ में अर्ली एक्सपीरियंसेस थोड़े ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल रहे हैं लाइफ में.
Because they know how to be happy.
Yeah.
उनको पता है बहुत ज़्यादा रो के कुछ होगा नहीं. So you have to come back to this, to the ground reality.
हाँ, दे हैव फेस्ड द नेगेटिव इवेंट्स इन देयर लाइफ और उस वजह से वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिलिएंट हो चुके हैं कि उन्हें पता है कब खुश रहना है, कहाँ खुश रह सकते हैं, वो अपने साथ सेटिस्फाइड रहते हैं.
Correct.
बट जिनकी लाइफ बचपन से ही अच्छी रही है, पूरे फ्लावर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, मम्मी पापा अच्छे, सब अच्छा हुआ है, वो लोग ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करते हैं, मैंने देखा है इन देयर एडल्ट लाइफ. बिकॉज उन्होंने वो स्ट्रगल्स नहीं देखे बचपन
सॉफ्ट
में.
लाइफ देखी ना, so then you
सिल्वर स्पून
naturally-
वाले बच्चे
Yeah.
जो होते हैं और उनकी लाइफ डिफिकल्ट बाद में हो जाती है. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट दैट आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड, जो मैंने
Yeah.
पहले कभी नहीं सुना था. ओके, बिफोर आई एंड दिस एपिसोड, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, बिकॉज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. व्हेन women say no and when women make their boundaries, it's considered to be rude. People say that women is rude. Please tell me about it.
So when you're a child, all these girls, जब आप स्कूल में होते हो तो आपने कभी देखा है आपको हमेशा से बचपन से बोलते हैं ना, सच ए स्वीट गर्ल, सो स्वीट, सच ए प्रिटी गर्ल. आप उनके बाहर के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से उनको एक लेयर लगा देते हो, राइट?
Yeah.
एंड देन व्हेन दिस वुमन सडनली स्टार्ट्स रियलाइजिंग यार ये मुझे नहीं करना है, व्हाई एम आई सपोज टू जब आप असर्टिव होते हो यू कॉल्ड रूड. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कभी देखा है, इट यूजुअली हैपेंस विद, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम इन जनरल अ वेरी फनी पर्सन, आई एम कंसिडर्ड
Love
funny
that.
person. Yeah. So usually what happens is अब family gathering में आप naturally jokes crack करते हो, right? आप crack करते हो. But and then there is a natural expectation that this person is going to crack 10 jokes. Now अभी आप joke करोगे. not understanding that sometimes it's just a natural instinct. You cannot tell the person ki can you crack something funny.
Okay.
Agar aa raha hai, just be
Right.
just free flow. And it has happened. If you're becoming assertive, not my family, they are very understanding. So, but in general, I've shared this incident with someone who has experienced a very similar thing, and she said, when I said the same thing, I'm not every day you're supposed to expect me. She's a poet, and आपको फैमिली एकदम से रिवॉर्ड कर देती कि यार दैट वाज वेरी रूड. इट्स नॉट रूड, इट्स जस्ट यूर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इट्स अ नेचुरल फ्री फ्लो. आज किसी ने असर्टिवनेस दिखा दिया तो आपको बहुत इट्स वेरी हार्ड फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज
Yes, it is.
बिकॉज आप भी तो एक इमोशनल बीइंग हो ना. टुडे यू आर नॉट फीलिंग लाइक इट, यू जस्ट डोंट फील लाइक इट. So it's very important to keep your ground without understanding that, without trying to please the other person.
हाँ.
You have to first validate yourself. आज नहीं मन कर रहा है, नहीं मन कर रहा है. It's okay.
Exactly.
It's okay. They might think you're harsh today, but in the following steps, next gatherings, next meetings, it will be understood well.
Yes, I think the women who are right now in their 30s and their 40s,
Yeah.
सबसे ज़्यादा उनके साथ ये चीज़ हो रही है बिकॉज वो बहुत पीपल प्लीजर हैं. उनके हमेशा से यही दिखाया गया कि फैमिली के बारे में सोचो, रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं उनके बारे में सोचो, उनको सर्व करो.
Correct.
एंड एट एनी पॉइंट अगर वो गलती से, आई डोंट थिंक दे डू, बट मैं तो जैसे माई मदर्स एंड माई ऑल द मामीज चाचीज, मैं तो उनको पुश करती हूँ, मेक बाउंड्री, से नो, व्हाई डोंट
Yeah, say no, yeah.
हाँ, तो इवन इफ दे डू दैट ना, इट्स कंसिडर्ड वेरी रूड.
Yeah.
एंड ये सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती तो विमेन भी इजीली नहीं कर पाती. तो हाउ डू दे डू दैट, हाउ डू दे
No,
से
they have
नो?
to, because after saying no, you need to stop thinking what the other person is thinking. Because you first have to
Yes,
feel good
yes.
about it. पहले ही अगर आप ये फील करो नहीं मैं चलो कर ही देती हूँ, फिर
Yes.
तो कंफ्यूजन हो गया ना.
एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज आई थिंक द राइट थिंग कि दूसरे के बारे में सोचना बंद कर देना.
हाँ, उस
यू
moment
डिड इट
पे.
फॉर अ रीजन.
Yeah.
Right.
Unless you're doing something extremely rude. I don't want to evaluate on those grounds. If you're genuinely being rude to someone, that's not right.
या
बट आपको लग रहा है कोई चीज़ आपके लिए सफोकेटिंग हो रही है और आपको बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी है इन योर फैमिली कि नहीं आई एम रियली सॉरी, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, प्लीज डोंट माइंड, इट्स आई कांट डू इट. दैट्स इट. यू स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट अदर 4 people are thinking.
Yeah, I think it was a beautiful episode. So at the end, I want you to give just one last message for women that are watching this episode right now.
For all the women who are watching this episode, I think it's very important that on a daily basis, please try to balance your energies very well. It will be that one day it will be an extreme emotion, one day there will be a very low emotion. The whole idea is please start enjoying time with yourself first, because that will give you clarity, and the moment you understand yourself, all the people around you will also be able to understand you.
Yes, that was perfect. Perfect end to this perfect episode. Loved it, enjoyed it, had fun, got a lot of different perspectives as well. You have a beautiful mindset that the way you think about things, and I think you can help a lot of women. You're doing great work, and I thank you for it.
And thank you so much.
Yeah, I hope we stay connected as well. I
100%.
learn a lot from you as well. Thank you so much for coming on Nama Talks.
Thank you
so much to the audience for watching this episode, जिन्होंने end तक देखा है. I hope you liked it. Friends, family तक share करिए, women तक share करिए जो आपके आसपास है. They can learn a lot from this episode. कमेंट करके प्यार दिखाइए. कोई क्वेश्चंस है, यू कैन आस्क देम इन द कमेंट्स. हम अंकिता जी से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि वो आंसर करें. एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलेगा. कीप वॉचिंग नमा टॉक्स. दिस इज योर होस्ट खुशी के गुंद.
रख दे तू कोई दिल विच गल्लां, रब दिया बंदिया तू सब जाने. अपने अंदर लेके तुरदा क्यों फिकरां विच पल तू गवावें. ले जा कुछ राज तेरे कट अपने